Good morning, everyone. Hunter with Dalkey Forestry Services here. It is Friday, January 20th, and this is our target today. We've got a big old pine. Let's see if we can get them all in here. We've got a tall old pine here, and she is a-dying. Can't tell very well in the video, but she's getting pretty yellow. So we've got Jared out here today. He's going to climb up. I'm going to run some ropes for him. We're going to take her down piece by piece, and the landowner is going to be taking care of the brush removal today, so pretty easy on us. We just got to get her safely to the ground. Next to this Morton building here, but plenty of room to work, so it'll be a little putsy day, but show you the aftermath when we're done.